Okay, here we are. Here we are at the Glass Outhouse. Those of you who aren't aware, this is basically an art museum. It's like a small art gallery outside of 29 Palms. This is probably considered 29 Palms still, but it's on the way to Wonder Valley. I haven't been here. I've been coming out here for 5-6 years now. This is my first time here. Oh, it is very warm out here. But I think it's closed right now. But there's a sort of sculpture area that we're just gonna kind of sneak around and check out. But I think it's free. From what I heard, anyone is allowed to show their art here. It's just there's a 3-year waiting limit. But I've seen pictures of the inside of the actual gallery, and it's pretty good. Like, it's pretty nice, and it gets a lot of traffic. So here we are in the sort of sculpture garden. I'm picturing there's people here. I think they're just hanging out in the AC. Where these came from? There's cabins out here that are in good condition too. Looks like somebody's working on them. It is warm. I don't think I can be out here that long. It is very warm. I'm glad I got water. Oh boy. I'm gonna head back in a moment. This is definitely way warmer than I anticipated. Yeah, no one's coming out here today. Oof. This is pretty neat. Like I said, I haven't been out here before. This is pretty cool though. Oof. I think I'm gonna head back pretty soon. It's way hotter than I thought. Whoa. Oh boy. There's definitely some cooler stuff there. I don't know if I can really go that far, actually. It's pretty warm. It's really hot. This is worth checking out, though. Call ahead, figure out when they're open. I see rain out in the distance. It's like a low poly gorilla over there. Okay, I need to head back. There's more to see. Here we are. All kinds of weird stuff here. Call ahead though. Yeah, check out the Glass Outhouse. It's pretty cool. Call ahead or figure out what their hours are. I think they're seem to be closed today, but it's worth checking out if you're headed towards Vegas and you decide to go the 29 Palms route, not go the 15. This is worth taking a look at for sure. It's pretty interesting. It's a nice place to come and stretch your legs on a desert road trip. Yeah, check it out.